have this too. Are converted into the table because they're close to the table. Okay, to be tested means if the page has to be tested or no. Can happen that the market says I don't want to test this, you know, and then I'm doing the data validation here, list here, this one, range to be tested. So we can also decide to change this value on the fly, or you can say yes or no if you want, but I do prefer to use numbers, otherwise I need to convert this text into numbers because I use this in formula. Okay, this is by default the total browser devices combination. I can also use one for all, but I usually keep like this because I can have pages where I can change the combination. I can say for this page I need only 3, for the other page I need only 4. Okay, so I want to keep this now. Okay, I'm going to column. Okay, here we are, which is current browsers and devices combinations tested. This is a tested one. Okay, I'm gonna copy all this part. So for this reason I needed 2 lines above, yeah, or even one more. I'm going to copy this. Okay, Samsung Galaxy 2, Samsung Galaxy Tab 4, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, Samsung Galaxy X5 and S6. Okay, that's good. Now this is for the PC, so I'm going to merge this. This is Windows, so the PC is this one. This is this one. Okay, then we have for the tablet area this one. Then I'm going to merge this, and then for the mobile phones I'm going also to do this merge here. Okay, here we have all our devices. I can also then we can go Control Shift arrow for a while. How many pages I have? Oh, I still have. Yes, here we are. The table. I can also format the cells. Border. This border here, the color is this one. Okay, here we have our table right now. Okay, now we have all what we need. At the end we need also to show by whom if needed, and some comments. I can copy this. Okay, I want to make it very generic, this one. Okay, test status, actual date. Okay, and the tester and the comments if you need this. Okay, and we will see that in the next video, how to format all this data and how to relate the two tables. Okay.